Boss, grabe ulan dito, boss.
Uy, truck ata yun.
Saan?
Truck ba yun? Ay, hindi pala.
Ba't ba yung mata mo yan, tropa?
Sign lang pala yun.
Mamamatay tayo dito. Ako na nagsasabi sa'yo, Phantom. Ba't diniretso mo dyan?
Mister.
Condit!
Ayun! Rinig ko yung barilan.
Ayan na. Maglulot.
Uy!
Condit! Tudet. Boss, tropa! Ako pa
palot.
ba?
Loot na kayo, mga gago. Loot na mga gago.
Sabugin niyo yung kotse.
Palot!
Ako pa ba, tropa?
Ano, tropa? Papi, tropa. Bigyan yung tropa. Kawawa naman, oh.
Pucha, daming animate kit.
Push, pinag-drive ka.
Patay. Patay si Lunar.
Tourniquet. Ako nila yung tourniquet.
M4 tropa. Ang sarap. I want that.
Tourniquet ha. Ako na lang. Asan na yung tourniquet?
Ito,
Ay,
30.
hindi namatay.
Dalawa.
Uy, asan yung tourniquet?
Nilapag ko doon.
Lunar hacker.
Bro, you crashing all
Tangin
my
na mo,
life, bro.
Gago si, si Phantom, buti ready ako dun. Sabi ko sa'yo, mamamatay tayo dun eh.
Flat pick tayo.
Hindi, gagin ng ano ako
Daming
doon
pagkain. Wait.
Tagi, pinangga
Ayaw nga
ni
mag-drive.
Ghosty. Awi.
Uy!
Pasakay ako.
Daming pagkain tropa. Tara.
Boss, yung sasakyan, boss.
Uy, yung tourniquet. Di nyo man lang kinuha.
Kinuha ko isa. Ako lahat pumatay, tapos kay lahat naglot ah.
Pucha, pagkain nga lang nalutan ko doon. Meron akong 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 na stack na MRE tropa. Tapos tatlong
Back
stack.
daw yung mod. Puta, ina talaga, tropa. Wala na. Magbubo, tahimik na lang po tayo na.
Alam mo na yan, boss. May interest ka lang yan, boss.
Ano, quarry?
Uy, sunduin niyo si Jetty. Jetty, kaya yung reposition. So, in your reposition.
Reposition, my friend. Reposition.
So we can get
Pick you up. We pick you up, bro.
Yeah.
Position, bro.
So we can pick you up.
Oh, almost na birds, almost na quarry. Let's
I can
go.
give you some ammo if you want.
Feel me, my friend. Feel me.
I need ammo, bro.
I give Ghosty my full military, bro.
But Jerry don't have any ammo, bro.
Okay.
Even I gave Lunar's ammo. Lunar can't even kill one guy, bro. Even a freshie, bro.
Lunar is just a loot collector, bro.
Takes like
Bro.
100 rem to kill the freshie. What the fuck?
Bro is going crazy right there, bro.
Oy. Baka. You're crazy.
Pag ako talaga naban, tapos lahat
Oh my
kayo
gosh,
ban,
bro,
putang ina.
Ghosty.
GJW.
Aftermath.
Magtataka na lang, huh? Huh?
Pakita ko lahat ng record ko sa inyo. Oh, Jerry is much more closer.
Oh, General Peace
Yes.
is staying with us.
General Peace, dari man diyo.
I invited General.
Oh, shooting. Someone shooting.
Someone shooting in
Quarry.
Query.
Ghosty. Get Jetty. We don't have...
space, bro.
Nasabog na tong kotse ko.
It's alright,
I'm gonna
bro.
explode already, bro.
Try to pick up Jetty, bro.
I'm trying to explode already, man. What do you mean?
So, just try to pick up Jetty, bro.
Aldo.
Car. At that.
Oo nga si Jetty. Bibigay ko yung bala. Wala nang bala yan.
Boom, sumabog. Buhay pa, Phantom.
It's not dead, it's not dead.
Wait lang, let me push.
Jetty.
Uy!
Here, Jetty.
Hotdog, hotdog, hotdog.
Take.
Ilan?
Isa
I'm gonna
lang.
rush hotdog, okay? I'm gonna rush hotdog now, okay?
Oh shit. Outside
If you're
hotdog.
ready.
There's two of
Oh no! Oh no!
Oh no! Double cache na, double cache.
Oh no! Uy!
Dead, dead, dead,
Yeah,
dead, dead,
bro.
dead.
He's dead.
Oh, it's not dead.
Bro, my server is FPS server is fucked, bro.
Oh my gosh, bro.
Kalaban pa?
Died, bro.
Oh my god.
Wala na, may gili siya, may gili tap yun ang twister.
Kalaban?
Oh, yung kalaban.
Pag gili shirt, patay na yung full gili.
Hindi ko nakita.
Gili tap lang, gili tap lang.
Kawawa naman si tropang ghosty.
Namatay ka din?
Nakaulan kasi.
Puta, ano yan? Bakit ah?
Kung nagugutom kayo, kuha lang kayo sa ano ko. Sa katawan ko.
Low.
Game mag-English kayo, hindi kayo maintindihan ni Jerry.
Pick me up.
Oh shit, I forgot that is with us.
Man,
Okay, bro.
laban.
All is dead, my friend.
Ano ba?
Can you guys
Kunin ko
also
lang
pick
si
me up?
ano. I'm gonna pick up. Oh, wait. There's a guy.
Wait, let me repo
He's dead.
so I can get closer.
Patay ka rin pala ngayon, tropa.
Masay ka ako, tropa.
Honestly, no be your ground.
Daming saiga dito.
Ang mobile.
Kaya ako nga napatay yung dalawa dun.
My
Dito mo?
supposed to do
Huh?
without pa-invite.
Ano ko?
Sinasabihan na tayo, we need to go out now and inquiry because probably they're going now.
Bro, my loot, bro. Oh my gosh.
They're going to
File,
inquiry
file,
right now.
Bro, my
One
foods. Can you pick me up real quick so I can snatch my.
Let's run. I guess someone will run.
Oh my gosh,
I'll pick up,
bro.
Papi.
Are you at Lunar?
Just a quick loot, bro.
There's a guy.
Yun? Ayan, sino yan? Who's that?
San?
Oh
Is that
shit,
you,
yun.
Jerry?
Chat.
Bro,
But
who is
using,
saying? Who's
it's
saying?
Jetty,
What a
Jetty,
query,
Jetty.
what a snitch.
Jetty. Chill out.
What a goofy ass snitch, bro.
Papi, huwag ka na mag-loot.
Yeah. Go.
Bro, just take my loot and get out. It's okay. I didn't need a...
Kailangan natin umalis sa quarry na. Papunta na silang lahat.
My
Papick
friend,
up.
let's go out in quarry, my friend. Oh, player.
Behind hotdog lang yung loot ko, twister. Behind hotdog lang.
Grabe ba?
Ay, no, may tao.
San?
Sa may hotdog.
Lalag
Na
ako.
zombie ata yun.
Emansi ulit.
You can see my loot already.
Get some loot, then we will go.
Pick me up, bro. Pick me up.
Bro,
Oh, you're
bro,
very
too
far. Oh my
No, he's
god,
not.
no.
Who needs med?
Oh, it's okay. I reset.
We need to go now, bro. If we
Okay,
die,
okay.
I'm going to blame Lunar.
Oh, go. Leave. It's okay. I'll get later. I don't need loot, bro. I run in with shotgun. Okay?
They are all going to the quarry, right?
Oh, player, outside.
Kami kilitap
Dead
dito.
na?
Si take kilitap.
Hindi po.
Patay na.
Wala na ba loot na natira?
Opo, nakuha natin nila lahat.
Hindi pa ako nakalot eh. Hindi ako nakalot eh. Bilis eh.
Let's go.
No, oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Lakad kami Phantom. Lakad kami Phantom.
Bro, is the
Lakad
cheater
na tayo.
going here at the quarry?
Actually, we can camp in ATC. I have so much food.
Pari, asan? Airfield tayo.
Bro, there's a 44 place here. I think Twister just disconnected, guys.
Oh,
Is it?
Upstairs.
There's more?
Yeah,
meron pa.
Yeah, upstairs.
LR ka dahil wala.
Ha?
LR.
Asan?
Nawala.
Naglag.
Nakita ako eh.
Gila.
Naglag.
Pila na ko ata.
Nakasilip pa sa bintana eh.
Oh,
Let's go. Right.
Bib J.
Yeah, go.
Nantatay.
Kunin.
Wala, hindi na. Gawin. Yung kailangan, Win. Tigga ko na.
you got car, bro? Ah,
Yeah. I don't have. They have the car.
We will be drop off in ATC and we will pick some guys up. So we can camp in ATC.
Natin ATC. The rush to ATC.
when you rush ATC, bro, I'm ready. You can die. It's okay.
Relax.
Bro, someone pooping some metal scrap. Oh, yeah. Wait, Jetty is stuck.
Clear.
Gusti pa unstuck si Jetty.
Saan?
Jetty is stuck in the car.
Jetty was stuck. I didn't even notice. Sorry,
Yeah,
Jetty.
Jetty is Paldo, bro. He's more Paldo than me. I have a
Jetty.
pistol and a shotgun. I'm very Paldo.
There.
Yes, bro. You loot, my friend. You loot here. You will kill and you get loot, my friend.
Bro, we are stuck in food, bro. Can you see this? This app?
Pussy gamer!
Tara, roam tayo. Hindi,
dito
wag
tayo.
na. Air na lang.
Lunar, si Lunar.
This.
Wala naman si
Wait,
Lunar eh.
Stuck
War
sa
air.
pagkain. Oh.
Oh, dyan, sarap
Hindi mo na tropa yan eh. Kunin mo yan si Lunar, gago, tropa yan eh.
So, kita yung ano niya.
Pick
Yan
me
oh.
up, bro. Pick me up.
Nga, pa-invite.
Invited.
Uy! May nag-invite sa akin ng isang squad. Ang dami nila.
Random lang ata yan, tropa.
Mas madami pa sa
Nice
atin.
drift, bro. Nice drift.
Sasalihan ko nga.
Dalawang nakaragat
weird.
pala to.
What happened to the car, bro?
Oh, no, bro.
Bag.
My friend, you
Whoa.
loot, my friend. You loot here, my friend. You loot, my friend.
Alright.
Loot around, loot around.
Bro, I need much better clothing, bro.
I need the duffel, bro. My stuff can't even hold anymore.
Bro, I have nothing. Oh my gosh, bro. I can't hold anything. I have no storage.
I am full storage.
Teka. Airfield. Ay. Aro, baka kailangan mo to.
Oh, salamat, tropa. Mahal mo din pala ako, tropa.
Siyempre.
I need a rucksack. Does anybody have
Pero
a
Palit.
rucksack?
madami dyan.
I kill my friend. Kill some zombies, my friend.
I don't know where the zombies are, bro. I have medkits. Who wants medkits?
Under me,
Who wants
under us,
medkits?
under here. There's many zombie here, my friend. Here, ratsak here, ratsak zombie.
I don't know if Lunar is blind or he blamed himself.
Ako ba yun? Ay, zombie pala.
You see? Ratsak, my friend. Night vision. You have night vision?
No, I don't.
Yes, because Jerry, we will count this airfield.
I'll come stairs.
Okay.
Who wants medkit? Who wants medkit? Who wants medkit?
Water, bro.
I got it.
Who wants medkit, bro?
Just get it, my friend. I don't, no need.
Jetty one. Jetty one.
Oh, Jetty.
Jetty wants.
Hey, medkit, bro. Take, okay, don't want. Okay. I'll keep the large and the small for myself, eh? It's alright. I don't need. I have one large and one small. It's alright. Take it. Yeah. I was asking who needs medkit. I only have shotgun, bro. I'll camp stairs.
Okay.
Does anybody need a new helmet? I got the spare one.
I need it.
Phantom, is that you, bro? You need?
No,
Or is
it's
it
Pepe,
you?
it's Pepe.
Papi? Alright, bro. My goods. Come here. Come here, bro.
Give it,
I
bro.
give you helmet, bro. Yes, give me your own helmet.
Bro, Pinoy pa lang yung mga nandito.
Jetty
Adi-
left the squad, bro. I'm gonna kill Jetty. Wait, don't join. Oh my god, bro. No.
Lalo pa ng kalaban dito ah.
No, I wanted this loot, bro.
Yeah, bro. They are all in the paradise.
Bro, should I put my food inside here? I have 3 MRE and
Yeah,
one
just
pack.
go for it.
Tao na, boss.
Oh, what the? Okay. They're hacking,
What
bro.
the fuck?
They're hacking.
Wait ka ma?
They're hacking.
What the fuck?
I'm banning them. I'm banning them right now, bro. I'll
You're
ban them.
going to die. Uh-huh.
Ghosty. Bro.
The fuck did this Ghosty die? The fuck happened?
Balian si Ghosty, boss.
Wala akong couple. Focus.
One ghost,
Oh,
upward
God,
ng ghost. Alam mo yung hacker kanina, Tister? Sila ano?
Yeah.
Try ka lang.
Yung ano? Yung di makuha natin yung pangalan. Pucha. Di man lang namin nakuha yung loot doon.
Car.
Ay, sasakyan. Car. Stuck. They're so stuck. They're all stuck.
Bro, I cannot see. I don't have night vision, bro.
Where, bro? Where?
I think one drop.
Long dayla. Ang stairs L.
Bro, it's dead.
No. One more.
Guys.
One more. No. There's one more. He dropped.
Don't worry, you loot it, my friend.
Yeah, I'm guarding stairs, bro.
Let me push
We
up.
get stairs. Ay. Ba't mamamatay na pala ako? Ano nangyari?
Glitch ka ni Phantom.
Ba't mamamatay ako?
Glitch ka ni Phantom, gagi.
Pansin talaga eh. Ayun ako medkit.
Ano ba yung kit mo? Tayo na mo.
Muntiyan na ako mamatay. Pengin ng ano,
Is
leg
there
splint.
any large
Ah?
Leg splint.
Na. Ay, ito pala.
is that only one
Yun.
person?
No, maybe. What the fuck, Lunar? Take all.
Damn,
The
Lunar.
hell? Lagi mamamatay yan siya.
Tara, roam tayo.
Pag magro-roam kayo, ano, dala kayo ng ano.
Huwag na, gabi pa.
Bagay.
Magdala kayo ng pasalubong pauwi, guys. Pag magro-roam kayo.
Boring ka, tropa. Parang ano na ako, naantok ako.
Sino kasama? Uy, puto yun na pinapatay.
Sino kain?
Ako.
Tama din ako.
Uy!
Papapi, sama ka?
No, wait lang. Drop ko lang tong ano.
Ay, mag-drive. Ikaw mag-drive. Ghosty.
Ayoko. Uy!
Baby Saiga, boss. Mo, boss, no? Baby Saiga.
Up tayo.
Sige,
Kar.
ano,
Happy.
kayo na lang.
Kami na lang.
Pare tayo, Kwari.
Sniperin muna natin na tropa. Sniper lang muna tayo, tropa. Layo-layo muna, layo-layo ba? Huwag mo na ipasok mo agad dun sa ano.
Pasok agad tayo.
Tangina mo talaga, tropa. Tangina ka. Ikaw lang.
Pag kayo namatay talaga.
Ako nga pa tribe ako. Ay, hindi, wag na pala.
Pagkamatay ako, tropa. Quit na ako. Tulog ako agad.
Tulog
Ang
ako.
tulugan pa.
Marami sila sa kuwari.
BMG ka, Tister?
Ayun no, narinig mo yon?
No?
Hindi.
Narinig mo yon?
Punta sa gilid, tropa. Gilid muna.
Lunar, try to guard the stairs, bro.
Tingnan mo natin yung chocolate hills muna, chocolate hills.
Okay, bro.
Yan, dito tropa, dito muna tropa. Check muna natin Chocolate Hills.
Probably there on...
Clear ba Chocolate Hills?
Ayun, no?
Bro,
Ay,
Ay, hindi, wala.
yung-
Zombie pala yun. Zombie.
Why did I got hit, bro?
Sakay. Chocolate Hills muna, Chocolate Hills muna. Wag mo na bababa, wag mo na bababa. Chocolate Hills muna. Dead body.
Ito, may dead body, oh. May dead body, oh. Dead body.
Kanina pa yan.
Ay, nasa ano? Nasa greenhouse?
Ayun, ayun.
Sa labas, oh.
Tao ba? Ayun, no, tao. Sa ano?
Blue house.
Sa blue house may tao. Albo. Na may barrel.
Ito.
Ako nga magdadrive.
Ay,
Rush
Jack,
ko kaya?
undead.
Rush ko ba to?
Tense.
Ayos ba sa tent? Wait lang. Ito, paldo.
May tao.
Sa tent, so paldo.
Saan? Where?
Tense, oh.
Inbounds.
Dead.
Dead na? Nice one.
Sa greenhouse, meron pa. Patay na yung nasa greenhouse.
How he know Jetty is in the airfield?
Di ba meron pang isa? Saan?
Sa double cache na.
Ilan?
Isa lang. Isa pa ito.
Dalawa? Ah,
Oh, dead. Sa loob ng dalawang
nakita ko na.
An kaya na...
Dead. Uy, pinoburlo ko, dalawa.
Meron pa.
Dead.
Meron pa sa labas, ha?
Okay, sugodi ko na.
Sa labas, patay na yung kalbo eh. Napatay ko na yung kalbo sa labas.
Papatay na pala eh. Clear. Loot.
Ay,
Tara.
Hindi. Nakaspos.
Premium to, no? Sarap.
ingat ka.
Premium to.
Ikot ka. Ito sa open.
Kain, dami. Sarap, oh.
Tara.
Kain ko rin ito mga pagkain para sa kanila.
Hindi naman pala paldo to.
Slow pulse.
Black label, oh.
Okay, just die on open area if you think you will die.
Para ito.
Ingat na.
Oh,
Alis ka na yun.
ang ina na, binigay ko na yung ano ko. Yung win ko kay Phantom.
Dead na.
Ay na?
Oh my god. I'm
Patay na.
scared already.
Wait. May kalaban pa pala kami dito.
Punta tayo sa kanila.
Check nyo muna yung mga loot bag. Baka paldo to.
Is it geared?
Ah,
Is it
tropa.
geared?
Oh, super geared, bro.
Ano, boss? Makakuha tayo.
Oh, just super. Eh?
Super geared.
Anong gamit niya?
Spas. Tignan mo ako.
Tapos?
Po, kailangan ina to, opa.
Oh, gusto ko no all.
Super geared. Superman.
May, anong ano niya? Sniper?
Ano lang? Ano ba? M40?
40? Ay.
Iman, see you later.
weapon packet, bro. I need weapon packet.
I have, bro. I have. Wait, I give it.
Tara. Balik na.
Tropa, balik na.
Ay, Mister.
Wow, bro, very paldo.
Yeah, bro. I just got promoted, bro.
Hey, give me weapon repair, bro. I
Alam pa sa labas, oh.
I don't have weapon repair
In
kit. Bro.
Barcelona.
Copy.
I don't have the weapon repair kit.
Tara.
Sabi niya, kalbo.
Inat na Alamosta.
Rem? I don't have Rem.
Alright.
I only have win, bro.
Okay.
I need to scrap the win.
Saan?
Diretso mo yan, yung pink ko. Diretso mo yung pink ko.
Ano, yun, oh.
Saan? Hindi ko makita.
Zombie lang. Yun nga. Ay, zombie lang.
Hindi ko makita.
Zombie lang, tropa. Zombie lang.
Kala ko naman ako.
Kala ko nakasight na sa atin eh.
Almosta meron yan, paldo.
Ano mga 10 tropa, 10 paldo, no?
Oh, sampa.
Something paldo.
Enpal daw, bro.
Hanap din tayo, Ren.
Loob baka may range ito sa loob, oh.
Check mo yung office, baka meron.
Ikaw mag-check. Yoko dyan. Tight ang tight niyan, tropa. Ang tight. Parang ikaw ba, tropa? Pag pinipitan kita, ang tight mo.
Mister,
Oh.
mister. Puno ba yung helmet mo?
Sakto lang.
Ito. Pulsa mo.
Ito, sayang to.
Hanap kayo, Ren siya.
Tropa, walang range, tropa. Wala. Ang rare ngayon ng range, ah.
Lunar, come. I have a helmet for you.
Ipaluted, boss. LR, kailangan ko yan, boss.
Ito, repair kit.
Kunin mo lang, tropa. Bigay mo kay Lunar, maya.
Oh, padala
Ay, hindi,
din ako
kailangan-
weapon repair kit. Padala
Kailangan
din
ko
ako.
pala.
Sabi mo, papi?
Weapon repair kit dun sa inyo ako.
Kailangan mo. Sige, wait lang.
Sayang, kala ko repair range na.
Check nyo din
Alam
yung
mo
kotse,
lang.
may ano din, may
Crowbar pala.
sa mga
Ganyan sa-
ano din, may kotse.
Asan?
Hindi. Yung ano, wrench ba? May nag-spawn din na ano. Ito, may wrench na ako dito.
Kaya, tropa, meron siya si papi.
Uy, may
Balik
tao, may tao. May tao, may tao. May tao sa akin. Saan na yun?
Yun, no?
Tama na?
Sit1,
Patay na?
sit1.
NB left?
Kalbo lang yun.
lang. Ah, dito na building eh, no?
Take this.
Babayaan mo na yan. Kalbo lang yan, tropa.
Sige, tara.
May Barret, no? Albo.